Hi you guys, welcome back to another video. And today there is a freaking blizzard outside. A freaking big blizzard. And if you want to know what it is, what it looks like, come with me. Look at that madness. Sorry if you guys can't see it. I'll get you a better view. Look at that madness. Keep it speak. So guys, that is what's going on outside. And honestly, I'm kind of sick. So yeah. I don't know what else we could do to this video. I could turn it into a gaming video. And yeah. So, guys, sorry I can't go into the comments because it just won't let me read comments or write comments. So guys, please forgive me. And if you didn't hear before, sorry, I haven't been recording much, really. And yeah. Watch out for once I get 26 bucks, the Crafting Dead series. Watch out for that series. Coming soon. Hope you guys are all having a great day, unlike mine. See you all later. Please like, subscribe, and share. Bye!